What's up, everybody? Dante here. I have to say thank you to a friend who sent me this. I guess he just opened his own little tech store, so he wanted to send me a nice little M1 Macbook Pro for me. You know, I already got the MacBook Air, so he went on and gave me this one. He said he seen my channel, he's trying to support the channel and all those things. Just gotta say thanks, and let's get to this unboxing. Now the thing is with these they're the same chip, so it's not like one's better than the other. Somewhat, but the difference is between them is that this has a touch bar and a fan, so if you really do some high intensive work, that the chip don't get overheated and kind of like melt because there ain't no fan to cool it off. So you have that available to you with this MacBook Pro, and I believe the display is a little brighter than the MacBook Air. I'm not too sure, but I do believe that is the case. Come on. Slow. Going slow. Oh, snap. Alright. We got literature. Oh, is this a bigger power brick? Yeah, this is a bigger power brick. I'm not sure. It just seems bigger. This just seems bigger to me. Could be wrong. I have to measure them when I get a chance. USB Type C. Paperwork. I don't really need that. Gonna put this right here. All right, let's go and unwrap this bad boy. All right, and this is the front end. Now, the difference between the Air and the Pro is that it's more of a square tape shape. It's not tapered off like the MacBook Air does. It gets thick at the back end, then you get to the front end and it tapers off. Same thing though. Two Thunderbolt 3 ports and one headphone jack. This is basically the base model, so I get that. But if you're going to come out with a high-end version of this with 4, why not just put 4 in all of them? But I'm just saying. You know, give my opinion on that. You know, once you lift the screens up, they start booting up. Right, see, right away. Like I said, it has a touch bar. You know, Touch ID, big trackpad. All right, let's see. We're gonna do English. Alright, well, I gotta do the updating and set up my Wi-Fi and all these other things, so we're gonna go on, and that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Now, I would do a test between the two, but like I said, it's the same chip and it's the same thing. It's not like one has a faster process than the other. They're both the same. But I will see if there's a difference between processing a video for Adobe Premiere. But the problem is I don't really have like a Sony A7S3, because they say like when you shoot in 10-bit 422, it's like the craziest codec you could do. Actually try to edit on a computer right now. So I would love to have that type of camera to shoot that, but right now I just have the A7S3, and I can't really test that to that because I don't have that type of camera in the colors that I shoot with. So have to wait and see. I'm gonna try to get my hands on one, see if I could borrow one from somebody and test it out for myself and see if there's a big difference between, you know, a A7 III and A7S III. Does it perform well on this chip compared to my little desktop over there? I'm waiting to see approach, but post your comments in the comment section. Anybody who has a MacBook Pro M1, any tips out there, let me know in the comment section. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and join the channel. Always help out with the support. Thank you for everything, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.